I request our chairman, Mr. Mehta, R.K. Mehta to kindly express his feelings.
All the dignitaries on the dais and my friends, especially we welcome the ladies who have ventured to come here today. And Valentine, and I'm sure they were motivated by our chief guest today. I felt humble by all the appreciation being showered today, and the mission I started, mission promotion of Biochar. This mission was started about 4 years ago. When I first came across bamboo biochar, I think in the earlier I said I was working with the NGO called Rainbow Bamboo Academy after my retirement. After working for 55 years in the industry, I started an NGO because I was concerned about global warming, and I was told that bamboo consumes a lot of carbon dioxide. That's how I started with working bamboo. 4 years ago I came across the word called bamboo biochar. Further study convinced me that this is a proven method of containing global warming, approved by international agencies, United Nations, many organizations have approved it. So much so, the people are now giving carbon credit schemes. They're giving incentives for capturing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and embedding it, disposing it some way. And biochar is one of the best alternatives for that. With that conviction, we started what I think is already mentioned, Biochar Crusaders group. And there was a very good response from Indian and overseas speakers, participants. Today, I am glad to hear from all the organizations, Priyanka Madam, Mangal Reddy Saab, God Saab, Khan Saab, and other people, various support willing to come from the others in the mission. I call the mission for promotion of biochar. I request everybody to join in, suggest some ideas in a little more concrete form. I would like to say here that this sector needs a lot of R&D work and documentation. Today, the first question anybody says, where bureaucrats or farmers ask, where is the proof? How much do you benefit by using biochar-based fertilizer? We quote figure from China, from US, and others. That has no relevance because atmospheric conditions are different, soils are different. So we need to collect many, as our chief guest said this evening, research and documentation is the need. Just for your information, in the year 2022, 6,000 papers were published all over the world in the field of biochar. Biochar, as Mr. Raghuram said, is such a wide field, each feedstock behaves differently. Then when you charge it with various inputs. They will give a different yield and benefit to the farmers. So it's a highly technical field now, and we should be able to get the help offered by various institute colleges to get it into the technical mode, because the addition of into biochar in long cannot be used. It has to be activated with compost or microbes. That is where the strength is, and that is why this becomes much more scientific. Another question which opinion is that world over 85% of biochar is manufactured in sophisticated plants, sophisticated biochar making plants, which are very expensive but controllable. Our friends were saying the standards. Yes, Indian standard is available for biochar for agriculture, issued by ICAR. ICAR laboratory has issued it 3 years ago. It is same as IBI, International Biochar Initiative. The standards are available in the world market. And today any buyer from Europe also forms us to say, follow German standard, follow their standard specifications. In India, the standard given by ICAR is available now. It's published 2 years ago, and I'm sure it is very expensive to go through that drill. So we are in a dilemma today whether to follow the low technology end, which is already happening in US and Europe also, because wherever the biochar cannot be collected in large quantities, the agri waste, they use the low technology equipment. But high technology equipment is used where a lot of wood is available, a lot of other biomass is available, and that is how the production is taking place. Canada is one of the big producers because wood is available in a big large quantity. In India, we'll have to evolve our own models to suit our conditions. And I'm sure we have a lot of biomass is available, like Reddy have just told us, right from the forest department's waste, from the Forest Development Corporation all over India. I think at least 100,000 tons would be available to be converted into biochar. We should help them also, help the biochar entrepreneurs also. So, mission for promotion of biochar has 3 or 4 goals. Number 1 goal is, first and primary goal is curtail global warming. We use a process which will make sure that no contaminant goes out. Number 2, biochar made should be safe. As you all know, all the biomass will have contaminants because of pesticides and other fertilizers. How many of them remain there? The universal test is to check, make sure that none of this carried forward to the next crop through the biochar route. That is very important to happen. Standardization, I will discuss around. And the study, motivation, the buzzword today is carbon credit. Please understand, carbon credit is a complicated process. If I'm a farmer today and I want to start manufacturing biochar, I cannot claim biochar credit, carbon credit. It has to be institutionalized. When I entered the field, I was told, you have a group of farmers, minimum production for a consultant. We have one of our members, Mr. Mahanti here. He will tell you that you need some minimum size of a corporation, of a group of farmers or industry to claim for the biochar credit. To get registration itself, this is people what I was told in the beginning, subject to correction, it will cost you 25 to 30 lakhs. To get started into the field of claiming carbon credit, to register, to get then the whole process to be monitored totally. And I would lastly say, a very nice topic has been read, that research and documentation. That's the backbone for our industry, for biochar. If biochar should grow, we need a lot of institutions and to do the research and documentation of what Padma Madam is doing and the people are doing. It should be certified. If Mr. She says, but if the college says, it has a different value. The acceptance will be different. When a qualified college puts the paper through and says, yes, we have taken the field trial and this is the report. I recommend our friends here, one of the idea, my idea going on is, at least 10 friends have agreed to have forms of themselves, that they will do field test, a control patch and a patch with the biochar based adhesive. One of Mr. Prabhakar is here. He is one of the landowner who has agreed to do the trial. So similarly, we need trials in Telangana, maybe few thousand numbers. And when that is done, then only the government will be convinced about the benefits. Biochar benefits, removing carbon dioxide and cooling planet is the main. So I will end by saying, my mission is promotion of biochar. For what? Cooling the planet with biochar. Again, I'll repeat. Mission for promotion of biochar. For the result is cooling the planet with biochar. Thank you very much.
Thank you, R.K. Mehta ji. Really, your inspiring speech is very nice. And by hearing you, I think we are all of the one opinion that he is the youngest person in our Biochar society, and for that purpose, can we pass a resolution today, because somebody asked for resolution, that he is our Biochar man of India. So for that purpose, I request Priyanka Varghese Garu to kindly give a bouquet. So today onwards, we are going to call him our Biochar man. Thank you very much.